Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this recipe I am going to show you how to make breakable chocolate heart with chocolate covered strawberries. To make this breakable chocolate heart, here I have used a silicone heart mold which I got it from Amazon. Now here I have melted my chocolate using microwave. Make sure that your chocolate is nicely melted and runny. Next I am using blue candy color to color my white chocolate. You can add the color little by little until you get the desired color. Now pour the chocolate in a mold and move it around until your mold is covered with the chocolate. Now here I am using my silicone brush to make my edges thicker. Now scrape out the extra chocolate from the edges. Now keep it in the freezer for about 2 minutes. Now I am making second chocolate coat using my silicone brush. Make sure that your edges is nicely covered. Now scrape out the extra chocolate from the edges to unmold easily. Now freeze it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next I am making chocolate covered strawberries. For that, here I have already washed and dried my strawberries. Now dip the strawberry in the chocolate and shake off the extra. And keep the strawberry in the parchment paper. Now same way I have done my white chocolate strawberries too. Now stretch the edges carefully to remove chocolate from the mold. Now keep the mold upside down and peel off the mold carefully. Now for the decoration, here I am drizzling some strawberries with melted chocolate and some sanding sugar. Now under the chocolate heart you can put anything that you would like, but here I have used some chocolate and some chocolate covered strawberries. So here is our breakable chocolate heart is ready. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.